But that grinding sound when you brake is not normal. And if you ignore it, you could be damaging your car every second. This isn't just noise, it's a warning.
Your brakes work by pressing pads against a spinning disc called a rotor.
When something goes wrong, you hear grinding. These are the top 3 causes you need to check. When something goes wrong, you hear grinding. Let's break them down and fix them. This is the most common cause: completely worn brake pads. When pads wear out, metal grinds directly on the rotor. Brake pads are designed to wear down over time. Once they're gone, the metal backing plate causes grinding. Fix it by replacing the brake pads immediately. And always check the rotor for damage too. If your steering vibrates, your rotor might be damaged. Rotors can warp or get deeply scratched over time. This uneven surface causes vibration and grinding. Excess heat can also warp the rotor. Minor damage, resurfacing can fix it. Severe damage, replace the rotor completely. If the noise comes and goes, it could be debris. A small stone can get trapped and cause grinding. It creates friction every time you brake. Fix it by removing the debris carefully. Or it could be a stuck caliper. If the caliper doesn't release, it must be repaired or replaced. A healthy brake system should be silent and smooth. Check your brakes every 10 to 15,000 kilometers. Small noises turn into big repairs if ignored. Save this video, it might save your brakes. Subscribe for simple fixes that actually work.